Good morning everyone. So today we are going to do comprehension from your grammar book. Comprehension is basically a seen or unseen passage that you have to read and then you have to give the answers to the questions. Okay, questions will be based on that particular passage. Okay, so there are certain rules of how to answer the questions related to the passage in comprehension. See, if you have to read the passage carefully to get the central idea, means you have to read the whole passage very carefully to get the idea that about what or related to what the passage is. Okay, read the passage again as to know the details and read the passage again to know the major details what are mentioned in the chapter in the comprehension. Let's study the questions, then turn to the relevant portions again, and then again turn to the relevant portion. Relevant portion means where there is that particular answer means or that line where there is the answer related to. Okay, when you have found all the answers, write them now. First find out all the answers and then write down all the question and answers. Okay, first find out the answers, mark in the passage, and then write all the answers. Okay, do not add anything on your own. See, do not write anything of your own. Passage answers are given in the passage itself. You don't have to write anything on your own. Okay, there are no answers to be made by yourself and then to be written. There are answers in the passage, so you can write answers, find out in the passage and then write the answers. Okay, then give the answers in brief and in simple language. Brief means it should be short, not very lengthy answers, and the answers should be in simple language. Simple language means the language that the comprehension has. Okay, don't use your own difficult language or your own language to answer the questions. All the answers are there in the passage itself. Okay, as you answer questions from the chapter, no, the same way here also you have to answer the questions related to the paragraph, and the answers will be in the paragraph. Okay, see, like this is a paragraph. Okay, you can see this is a paragraph. You have to read this paragraph very carefully. See how this is a paragraph. Okay, you have to read this paragraph very carefully, and then you have to answer questions like this. Say, there are questions here. Okay, so you have to answer these questions very carefully. Okay, see, all the questions are there. Then we have choose the correct answers from the following. Then we have words to find out from the passage. Then there can be true and false. There can be filling in the blanks. Anything can be there, but all the answers you will find out in the passage itself. There won't be any answer that you will not be able to find from the passage. The answers are always there present in the passage, and the answers related to true and false will also be from the passage. The word meaning, see, suppose the meaning, no, your passage meanings you have to find out from the passage, that will also be there in the passage. So everything will be there in the passage. The only thing you have to do is you have to read the passage very carefully. Okay, read the passage carefully. Then you read the questions carefully and then try to find out where the answers are. Like the first question you have read, so you should have in the mind that okay, related to that question I have read something here. So you will find out answer here, mark the answer here, mark it as 1, then read second question, then find it from second paragraph, or maybe here only it would be. So answers will always be there in the passage. Okay, for that you have to read the passage carefully and you have to keep the passage in mind, and first you have to find out what is the passage about. Okay, so this is how you do a comprehension. I will give you a comprehension to do to solve, to write the question answers to find out, then that will become very easy for you to understand it. Okay, and if you have any kind of problem you can ask. Thank you.